Alrighty, we're going to start with number 1. It says find the equivalent fraction using multiplication or division. Shade the area models to show the equivalency. Record it as a decimal. Okay, so here we're going to multiply. We're going to do times 10. 3 times 10 is equal to 30, okay? And then on the bottom, 10 times what we do on the top, we do on the bottom. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. This in decimal form is 0.30. And shaded in, I shade in how many? 3. Okay, I have 3 tens, so I have 1, 2, 3 tens. And then I have 30. I have 10, 20, 30. Here on B, we're going to divide. Okay, so again, we're doing it by tens. 50 divided by 10 is going to equal 5. 100 divided by 10 is going to equal 10. Okay? And so what do we have? 50. If we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 5 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in decimal form, it equals 0.5. Now let's move on to number 2. Complete the number sentences. Shade the equivalent amount on the area model, drawing horizontal lines to make hundredths. So I already did this. You just basically write or draw lines to make a total of 100, okay? And it says, let's complete the number sentences first, okay? So, split it down the middle. 37 hundredths equals 3 tenths and 7 hundredths. In fraction form, this is 37 over 100. In decimal form, it equals 0.37. So let's go ahead and shade the equivalent. I have 3 tenths, so I have 1, 2, and I need to shade in some more actually. So let's go ahead and do that. 10, 20, 30, 3 tenths, and how many hundredths? Just 7. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? That is 37 hundredths. Let's try letter B. Again, you split it down the middle. How many tenths do you have? 7. Okay? How many hundredths do you have? You have 5. Okay? In fraction form, this would be 75 over 100. In decimal form, this is 0.75. So how many tenths should you shade in? 7. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many hundredths should you have? You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And lastly, number 3. Circle hundredths to compose as many tenths as you can. Complete the number sentences. Represent each number bond as shown. So we need to circle each of these little tiles is a hundredth. We need to make 10. Okay, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and circle that. Okay. And let's go ahead and complete the number sentence. What number are we starting with? We're starting with 12 hundredths. Okay. How many tenths did we circle? How many circles did we have? We had 1. Okay. And how many hundredths do we have? Remember, each little tile is a hundredth. We have 1, 2. We have 2 hundredths. Another way to make this easy peasy is to split it down the middle. Okay. How many tenths do you have? 1. How many hundredths do you have? 2. And that's it.